As you guys saw the previous vlog, my battery was dead. The Ola team has come now to pick the scooter from my house and take it to the service center. The first thing they have to do is unlock the handle lock. Only then they can load the bike to the service van. Ola service van. Once they open the handle lock, they close and pack all the front panel. They opened the trunk and gave all the charger and the spare parts available in my trunk before taking the bike. Now it was time to load the bike into the Ola service van. Guys, I was very clear with them that I don't want an RSA vehicle and I want an Ola service van. Way the Ola service van was built is amazing, guys. I just love the architecture of the van. The bike sits perfectly inside. It has a perfect slot. The tire is locked up with a harness belt. There's no way a scooter is going to trip off in any which way. Once the scooter is in, you can see them folding the loading track and close the rail. And the best part about the van, it has a dedicated slot for the front and the rear tire of the scooter. Always remember to ask the Ola to send a service van if there is a situation to tow your bike. Always try to avoid RSA, the roadside assistance. Those people are not from the Ola team and they don't know to handle two-wheelers well. So 30th May, almost by 12:40 p.m. my scooter was picked up.
Thank you, brother. Ni peru? Ani. Thank you.